This popular fusion appetizer combines a succulent shrimp with a creamy, sweet, and spicy sauce. Oh my goodness, so good, you won't be able to stop at just one. Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Dude is behind the camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. You are gonna be shocked at how easy this recipe is and why you've spent all that money on these shrimp appetizers at the restaurants. First, I'm going to preheat my air fryer at 325, and just for a couple of minutes. I'm using the same technique in cooking the shrimp as I did for my walnut shrimp recipe, which is super simple. So I have a pound of shrimp, and I've already defrosted, deveined, and took the shells off. And I'm adding about a quarter cup of potato starch. And I'm using potato starch because I find that it crisps a lot better in the air fryer. You can use cornstarch if you like, if you don't have it. And I'm just going to mix these around. Oh, by the way, I also used a paper towel and tried to take off as much as the moisture as possible. I'm gonna add a little bit more because now I see that maybe I didn't do such a good job at taking off the moisture.
Oh, don't be so hard on yourself, girl.
All right. Okay, that is it. I'm gonna put this in the preheated air fryer basket. You know what? Because, you know, I can't be bothered with doing two separate batches. Let's see if we can do it all in one.
But if you have the patience of a normal person,
you know what?
I want to crowd the basket.
All right, should I just do half? It only takes about 6 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes.
Don't let me pressure you.
All right, fine, look. I'm separating them so that they all have, they're nice and evenly spaced out. How about that? All right, so I'm doing half, okay? I am spraying it with some vegetable oil. Oops, should do it. Okay, and set this for 325 for 6 minutes. Pretty easy, right? So maybe I'll have to do 2 batches. While the shrimp is cooking, we are going to make our sauce. I'm using a quarter cup of EBI mayo. This is Japanese mayo. And if you don't have Japanese mayo, you can use just regular mayo. But Japanese mayo is a little bit eggier, more flavor, and maybe a little bit saltier as well. We're adding 1 tablespoon of sriracha. 1 tablespoon of honey, and I would squeeze this out, but it's all solidified on me. So we like the equal parts of sweet and spicy, but you can adjust it to whatever you like. You want it spicier, don't use as much honey, or if you like it sweeter, add more honey. Or you like it spicier, add more sriracha, totally up to you. I'm adding just a pinch of salt. And I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice. So maybe about 2 teaspoons. Stir that up. Or whisk it together. And that is it for the sauce. How easy was that? While I'm waiting for the second batch to finish cooking, I have the green parts of a green onion that I'm just going to chop up just for garnish. All right, so this is the second batch. I'm just gonna add it to the first in this bowl. And that was just 6 minutes in the air fryer, each batch. Now we're adding our sauce to the shrimp.
Oh, that looks so incredible.
Oh my goodness. Then we're just gonna toss, make sure everything's evenly coated. I wish you guys can smell this.
Another taste for smell-o-vision, guys.
Right. All right. Okay, so for presentation, I just washed a piece of lettuce. Just gonna pile the shrimp in here. I don't think I can fit them all in here, dude.
Oh, that's okay. You're just gonna go for it?
I am. It is an appetizer after all. You know, when you order in a restaurant, you're not gonna get this amount of shrimp for your appetizer, just saying.
Not a chance.
All right, garnish with a little bit of the green onions. Does that look good or what?
That looks amazing.
All right, are you all ready for?
Oh yeah. The taste. One of those restaurants that we miss going to is the izakaya restaurant. So izakaya is a Japanese small plate restaurant slash bar. And so they have all these selections of appetizer small plate dishes. And one of the dishes that we always order when we go to the izakaya restaurants is EBI MAYO, which is the shrimp and the spicy mayo. It doesn't last long on the table when it arrives. Because, well, for one, they don't give you that much.
I think you get like 5.
Yeah, so it's like just fighting each other for them. For that extra one, because there's only 4 of us. But when you make it at home, you can go to town. And I gotta say that air fryer is still rocking the possibilities at home, being able to reproduce those dishes. All right, let's do this. I smell the freshness of the green onion and of course the flavors of the sauce. Oh, so good. You know, shrimp is an excellent delivery vehicle for all the excellent sauces out there amongst all the cuisines. In this case, the mayo, the spicy mayo, covers it all. The shrimp is expertly cooked in the air fryer, so you get that bit of the micro crispiness around the edges. Not a whole lot, but you don't need it to be super crispy. So that sauce just envelops every part of the shrimp. It's spicy, creamy, and got that acidity in there from the lemon. It hits all the yummy points. And as I said, I can't just stop at one, so I'm gonna dig into another one. Oh yeah. So good.
Thanks, dude. Remember, guys, I am not a professional cook. I'm just a mom trying to get some really good flavors, a variety of different foods on the table for my family to enjoy and to save us some money. If I don't have to pay for 5 prawns for this when we go out, this is a winner. Having a whole pound of shrimp that we can share at home. For more simple fusion recipes, check it out, and I will see you over there.